Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run or install APK files on Windows 11 PC. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, enable two features on your PC: the virtualization and virtual machine platform. To run Android apps on Windows 11, install the Windows Subsystem for Android or the WSA from Microsoft Store. Change its settings by going to the Developer tab, enabling its developer mode. After completing its download process, you can also install APK files on Windows 11. There are three methods you can use. In the first method, you can use a simple GUI known as WSA_Pacman and install it. Complete the installation process to get WSA Pacman running on your PC. Once done, search it on your computer to check if it's okay by seeing connected. If not, you will see the disconnection notification. Now, all you need is an APK file to install. Locate your file, then install it. You can find this installed application in your start bar or by searching it in the settings. The second method, install APK on Windows 11 with an APK installer on WSA. To begin, download the APK installer from the Microsoft Store. Open it after download and click Open APK File, then select APK file of any app or game that you want to install. Click Install to complete the process. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.